Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So I'm sitting outside. I'm sorry if you can hear extra noises, but today is Saturday. I just finished my midterms and I'm going out, so I just decided that I would film outside today. Yeah, that's it, and I'll see you. Come with me, let's go have a fun chill weekend, and yeah, let's get started. See you later.
To my 20, may get you on a sit. Cause it might eat your time with the stories. Got a lot to say to me. I'm kinda lost, kinda flip it, kinda nailed it. Kinda strong, kinda weird, but still believing. Kinda broke, kinda rich. Doesn't matter, don't you think, you should think, you should think. Yeah, don't tell me what to do. Cause I'm about to lose myself. Why you talking too much? Like blah, blah, blah. Up in the moon, everyone trying to reach the finish line. Everyone is trying to be perfect and everyone I got one hope, I got one dream that may have with I still on my way. Gotta focus, gotta walk my way. Gotta remain in the life where it's every day. One of them goes out freaking late, but I'm on my way now, way now. Live your life the way you want. Yeah, it's alright, but still too young. Yeah, live your life the way you want. Yeah, it's alright, but still too young. Live your life the way you want. It's alright, but still too young. Live your life the way you want. It's alright, but still too
Hello beautiful people, I am back from all the shopping and today is the evening of the next day and I just woke up from a very good nap, so I'm sorry if I look a bit tired. I'm not tired, I slept really well. So yeah, I did some winter shopping and I went around a few places, so I wanted to show you what I got. I'm wearing this so that I can wear and show you all whatever I got. I did not get lowers, so I'll just be sitting like this and I'll wear it. I think it's already 5 or 5:30, so I need to film before it gets dark. So yeah, let's get started. The first place I went to for the first ever winter shopping was Uniqlo. So I went to Uniqlo and it was all of a sudden because it was getting really cold, so we went after classes. So I did not film the Uniqlo that we went to, but we went to Uniqlo. So I got this jeans. Uniqlo actually has very amazing winter stuff. I think it is called Heat Tech. Heat Tech is their range of clothing items that are specifically warm. So yeah, I got this jeans. It's just simple jeans and it is a bit loose on me, but it's okay, I really like it. Then I got this. I already wore it a couple of times and I've shown it to you guys. It is so warm and it is so good. It was 40,000 won. I think it was 39,000 won. I'll put the price in the video. But this is amazing. It is so warm. It is soft inside out and it is very warm. It has 3 pockets. Wait, let me show it to you guys. I already wore it, but yeah, this is the jacket. It's amazing. Even if you are wearing this thin turtleneck underneath, it will keep you warm enough. This was an amazing purchase, and yeah, I got this color because I need to match something with my shoes. It's a very hard thing to do, but in Korea I find this color a lot, so it's not that hard as compared to India, so I can still manage. Then this is also from Uniqlo. This is also their heat tech clothing. I think it is a turtleneck inner. Like, I got these turtlenecks too, white and black, but these are very thin. It is not for winter, it is for summers. But look at this. But this one is an inner. It is very warm because it is also from the heat tech range. I'm not going to wear it obviously because it is just a plain white turtleneck, but it is very warm. This is also very warm. That was it from Uniqlo. The denim, the white inner and the jacket, and this was all for around, I think it went to 100,000 won, like all the three things. So yes, Uniqlo was a bit pricey. Then I went to Daejeon Sky Road again, but I could not take a lot of pictures because we were already late, and my SIM card, like I had a SIM card earlier, I purchased a SIM card, but since I don't have my registration card yet, that SIM expired because registration card is kind of like an Aadhaar card. So that is the best way to explain it. So you need to buy SIM cards with the help of your Aadhaar card, but that SIM card was for tourists, so I got it with the help of my passport, but it was only valid for a month. So like we went without any internet services or without any SIM card. We tried to go to Daejeon Sky Road and we kind of got lost. So it was really late. I could not film much, but we were okay. We were 3 people, so it was fine. But I could not film much, and then I got a few more winter stuff because I have offline classes 2 days and I need to wear warm clothes for those days. So from there, the first thing I got was this beautiful sweater. So this is the sweater. It is so beautiful and it was like 19,000 won. I'll put the prices in INR down below, but wait, I just love it. I haven't wore it yet because I went shopping yesterday. I love it. It is very nice, it is very warm, and just wearing it for 5 minutes also makes me feel very nice. So yeah, I love the sweater, and I love the sweaters whose sleeves are very long. It's going to be, I think, one of my favorites. I cannot like style them right now because I don't have a tripod. I need to buy it, but I don't know when I will be buying it. So yeah, this is the pullover that I got, one of the best buys from that day. Then I got this black high neck. It is similar to the white one, but it was 10,000 won. This was 19,000 because it was from Uniqlo. It is very similar to the one I'm wearing. Just the material is warmer. It is woolen, and this is like not woolen. So yeah, this black high neck. I got so many black things that day. Then I got a black pullover again. It's just a simple pullover, but I like it. I like the design also. Wait, I will wear it and show you. This is the pullover that I got. Even this is very cozy. I think I like all the winter clothes that I got. Obviously, I got them because I liked them in the first place. But yeah, so this is also very nice. And then I got this sweatshirt. I love the color, and the sweatshirts here are so warm from the inside. I hope you can see this. So yeah, I got this, and I think it will go with my shoes because of this color here. Just this little bit. We wear it and show you. I think the sweatshirts look really nice when you wear them with skirts or even with jeans. So I wanted a few sweatshirts that I can wear at home and don't feel bad that, oh, I'm wearing such a classy thing when I'm going to eat in the student cafeteria. And I wanted to buy something that I can wear outside as well. So I think if I style them really well, I can wear them outside. And if I just want to go to nearby stores or something, or just take a walk, I can wear it simply. But yeah, it looks so good. And when I got home yesterday, I tried wearing it with a skater skirt, and as you all know, skater skirts and turtleneck with sweatshirts look really well. So it was looking very nice, but I don't know if I can wear like skirts now. My legs really hate me for wearing skirts in such cold weather, but I'll figure something out. So yeah, this is the sweatshirt. I got it for 10,000 won. It is very nice, it is very warm. And the last thing that I got was another sweatshirt. So I'm wearing this sweatshirt a lot. Even today morning I was wearing it. So yeah, this one. And this also will go with my shoes because of these colors here. So I tried to keep something similar to the color of my shoes. Similar, even if not same. This is the last one. This is the last thing that I got. I really like this one as well. The color is very beautiful. And I really like when the sweatshirts don't have like weird stuff written on them. I don't want people to read what is written here. So I think it's okay. It's nice. So yeah, that was it for my winter shopping for now. And I need to buy like a few more jackets, but I don't know when I will be able to do that. And also my registration card will be coming in around mid-November. So after that I will be able to do more stuff, because then I will have Wi-Fi, then I will have internet when I go out. I really need a SIM card. Oh my god, it is very hard. Yeah, that was it, and I'll see you soon. I love you all, and I'm loving the amount of interest you people are showing in my life and my videos. I really love it, and I really want to share everything with you guys. And please give me a few more ideas to vlog about. Not ideas like please go to HYBE or please go to Hanam the Hill. Simple vlog ideas. I will really appreciate that, as I'm running out of ideas to vlog. So please put the ideas in the comments down below. I really love you all. I really notice you all. So thanks a lot, and I will see you in my next video next weekend. Bye.